Hey guys, this is George with CalmEffect Medical Marijuana, and today we're going to be talking about how to use liquid tincture. Specifically in this video, I'm going to be using CBD. This virtually applies to all tinctures, CBD, THC, CBD, THC blends, really anything. So let's just start by going and unboxing our product here. Got some medical marijuana CBD. Just go ahead and take it out of the packaging here. And what you get is going to look something like this. It's just going to be a bottle. Alright, got some liquid in there. You guys make sure you see that. Alright, this is just CBD liquid. Alright, so how to use this, really, you're just going to go ahead and unscrew the top. Should unscrew like that. And now it's going to have a doser in here. I'm not really sure if you guys can see the numbers on there, but it's from 1 milligram, 75, 50 to 25. Okay, and then the recommended starting dose is 25. So I would just fill it up to about right there. See if you can see that. It might be hard to see the numbers. Right up to 25 milliliters. What you're going to do then is go ahead and place those drops directly underneath your tongue and leave it there for about 5 minutes. You're going to place it directly in your sublingual gland, directly under your tongue. So just drop it right under there, sit, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then swallow, maybe drink some water. I do this about 2 to 3 times a day as needed for my joint pain and anxiety. This is CBD. I love it. It works great. You might want to try certain things that work for you. I know CBD is this is from personal experience. I know CBD is very good for anxiety, daytime stuff. It's also good for joint pain if you need to sleep. If you do need that extra little oomph for some like your joint pain or some anti-inflammatory, maybe trouble sleeping, you might want to get a CBD with some THC blend as well. I know that THC is a good anti-inflammatory, good for sleep as well. But there you have it. It's pretty simple. You're just going to get it, go ahead and unlock, unscrew the top, right? Empty it out, make sure there's nothing in it, and then go ahead and fill up 25 milliliters right in there. Go ahead and drop that right underneath your tongue. Wait about 5 minutes, and you should be good to go.
If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, or if you have any comments, we'd love to hear your feedback. We're trying to make it more affordable and accessible for customers to get medical marijuana and find the relief they need. Let us know what you're looking for, and we'll try to help. Thanks, and have a great day.